Hello guys, so I'm making this video for phone technicians. If you are having charging issue on your Android phone or on your button phone, if the phone is not charging, if you don't have 4 volts here, 4 point something volt or 4 volts, at least 3 point something volt should be here. But the accurate voltage that should be here as far as Android phone is concerned is 4 volts. So if you are not having your 4 volts here, your phone cannot charge. Even if it charge, it can't increase. So you don't come here, don't come to your downboard and tap. If you come to your downboard and you come and tap a wire from this positive bat, from this positive line, you are making a very big mistake. Check it. If you jump the charging from this positive to this place, if you paste it here, you are making a mistake. Yeah, don't do that, because the maximum volt that you will hear is 4 point something volts, and you are having 5 volts from this place. You are having 5 volts from here. Your charging port, the charger we are using is 5 volts. Okay, so you don't jump from 5 volts to here, which we're supposed to have your 4 volts here. So what will you do? Go and change your charging IC, or you check the screen or the cable. Just make sure you fix it properly. That's why after jumping you have 5 point something volts. That's why you see that you on your phone is not charging, or it might break charging, but the phone won't increase. So when you restart the phone will increase. Mind you, you are spoiling your battery gradually. Thank you very much.